From that, some properties you are going to prove over here and learn over here. Certain derivations are there, that also very important. And the next chapter is wave optics. Certain properties cannot be proved on the basis of ray optics. Those things can be done using wave optics. That is, light is considered as a wave. Actually, what is light according to electromagnetic induction? Light is electromagnetic wave in which electric and magnetic fields changes perpendicular to each other and propagate perpendicularly with the speed of light. Are you hearing me? Is sound, everything is okay? That is about light. But before knowing the waves, we used to do and we used to consider as a ray only. So on the basis of that, certain properties like reflection, refraction, reflection through concave surface, refraction through glass slab, and then optical instruments like telescope and microscope, all those things are based on ray optics only. But when you are going to do the certain other properties like interference, diffraction, polarization cannot be explained by considering a light as a ray. So those things proved on the basis of modern physics. That is, modern physics says light is a wave optics. So that we will see in the waves. Okay. So in this concept, mostly what you are going to learn over here is given textbook. In the textbook, it is very clear. Here's the speed of light found to be so much after point so many decimals, but that rounded to 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Okay. Then after that, reflection comes. What is reflection? Reflection is the phenomena of light when it is falls on a shiny reflecting surface like mirror and shiny surfaces like steel. The light bounces back on falling on it. That is called reflection. So reflection, two laws are there. One is the incident ray, normal at the point of incidence, and reflector ray, all lies in same plane. That is one of the law. Second law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle means incident ray, angle of incidence means it is the angle made by incident with the normal. You can see here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
With the normal. Fine. So here is the angle. This angle is angle of incidence. And what is angle of reflection? The angle made by reflected ray to normal here. Okay. So that is what actually reflected ray and normal. This generally we represented as I. Correct? This we represented as R. So it is proved for regular reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. This is one of the law. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So these things, diagram and all from 8th class onwards you are doing. So I don't want to go much about it. So ray optics means based on the fact that the light travels straight line. That is property is rectilinear propagation. On that property, certain properties of light like reflection, refraction, diffraction, dispersion can be seen on this. And certain properties like interference, diffraction cannot be explained on by considering a light as a ray. So those things we are going to see in wave optics. Hope you it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let's start with certain things. What are the things we have to do now? So this is what actually a diagram to understand. This diagram, have you gone through? What is this
Yes, sir.
diagram says? Sign
Sir,
convection.
yes, sir.
So what is this mirror?
Sir, concave mirror.
Concave mirror. Which side is the reflecting part? Left or right?
Sir, left, sir.
Left. So this point is what it is? This point is pole. We can say this is what it is. In Cartesian sign conventions are there, na? According to that, based on that Cartesian sign conventions you have seen now, that you take x-axis, y-axis, x dash, fine, and y dash, fine. Here right side is positive, left side is negative. So this origin is here is pole. So when you take the reading, all readings are taken from the pole for object distance, image distance, and size of the object, like this size of the object, it will be taken from the principal axis, perpendicular. This is the image. So left side is what is the sign? Minus. Right side is what is the sign? Plus. So above the principal axis what is the sign? Plus. Below the principal axis is what is the sign? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You go on, tell me so that I will understand that you are following me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If suppose this is actually generally we will take A, B is the object, is it not? So AB size is called height of the object. Generally it is called H. And A dash, this is A dash, this is B dash. This is called H dash. So which one is positive, which one is negative?
Sir, H is positive, H dash is negative.
Very good. Now you understood now what is the image distance here? Image distance is from B to P. Object distance is B to P. Actually P to B. What is the sign we use? U. It is positive, right? Sorry, negative. Negative. Okay, na?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
And here B dash to P, what is the sign? Minus P.
Yes, sir.
Right? So right side if it is coming, it will be positive. This you understood? Will you able to write all this sign? Cartesian sign convention. The name of it is Cartesian sign convention. Conventions. How many are there? 5, you remember. I repeat, no need.
I understood, sir.
Okay. Then now I am going to discuss about focus. What is focus? If you know, you can tell me. Otherwise, I will tell you.
Sir, when the parallel rays are incident on the concave mirror, the point at which all of them converge is called as focus.
No, little bit you change. What you have to say? You have said correct only. All parallel beams coming from left after falling on the concave mirror it will get reflected and meet at a point on the principal axis is called focus. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here reflector rays are meeting. So what is this focus? A real or virtual?
Sir, virtual, sir.
Real, real focus. Why it is real focus? Because
Okay,
they
it's
are
found in
they
front
are
of the mirror.
actually meeting. They are not appear to meet. After reflection, it is coming here directly. But you see here, what is happening? It will get diverged. All parallel beams falling on convex mirror. What happens? It will reflect or converge. But these converges rays from the convex, if we extend it by dotted line, it will meet at F. So it is appear to meet. So that's why it is called what it is
Virtual.
virtual focus. So one question objective type it will be asked concave mirror has virtual or real, convex mirror has like that. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the real and virtual? You understood very clearly. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing diagram is given here, focal plane. What do you mean by focal plane? All rays which are parallel after reflect parallel other than parallel to principal axis reflect back and meet at one point. This is called A dash and B dash. Why A dash B dash? Because we are focusing very far object. This is very far object A and B. It is at infinity. And those rays are coming and falling and get reflected and meeting here, not on the principal axis. So those that image will form on a one sheet which is perpendicular in front of the concave mirror. That plane is called focal plane.
Yes, sir.
Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Focal plane means what? Parallel rays which are coming from the very far object after reflection from concave mirror. It it form a image at focus. So that plane is called what it is? That plane, two-dimensional diagram. That is called
Focal plane.
focal plane. Right. So you understood. Now one more derivation is there. This derivation, if you know, otherwise I will do it. What is the relation between F and R?
Sir, F is equal to R by 2.
R by 2. Okay. So which one have positive F? Which one has negative F? That you understood. So here is the derivation. Very simple derivation. Diagram simultaneously if you draw well and good, otherwise you don't want means I can proceed. But these diagrams now even if you practice 10 times also it will become very difficult to draw in your CBSE exam. Why? Because lack of practice. Continuously every time whenever you get 5 minutes you have to check you know the diagram or not properly.
Yes, sir.
So multiple times you have to draw. To prove this, few things you should know. What is pole? Pole is the center of the concave mirror. What is F? I told you. What is C? C is the what is C?
Sir, the center of curvature.
Center of curvature. What is CM?
Sir, the radius of curvature.
Radius of curvature. Okay. So what is CP?
Sir, CP is also radius of curvature.
Very good. But when you see CP is greater or CM is greater, when you look
So
at
CM is greater.
CM
So
is
CP
greater,
is greater.
huh?
CP is greater.
Both are radius only.
Yes, it looks like CP is greater.
Actually, that is why one condition we take while deriving. We will be going to take CM. M is very close to P. At that time, CM is equal to CP. Like that, we will take. So, that derivation. So, this derivation is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Tell me quickly. Ray diagram, you know.
Yes, sir.
So, here what it is, theta, theta, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Okay. What is this angle? Theta. What
So
is this?
theta.
How this is 2 theta?
Sir, because the theta is the angle between two parallel lanes, so the opposite side will be 2 theta, and alternate interior angles in parallel lanes is 2 theta.
Very nice. Good. So what you have taken a triangle? Which triangle you have taken for this?
Isosceles triangle.
No, no. Tan theta I am talking.
Okay, so CMD.
CMD. Okay, CMD equal to MD by CD. Very nice. So what about this 2 theta? Which triangle?
Sir, FMD.
Very good. Okay. Right. Now if the theta is small, tan theta will become,
Theta.
okay, this you know,
Yes,
trigonometrically
sir.
proved. So for
Yes, sir.
small angles only this equation is true. So that is why I told you m is very close to p. So that only, though we are seeing very big here, but when you consider the figure and condition, that m should be very close to p, so that it will become r. So that is what is written here. So this is clear.
Yes, sir.
This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here CD will become FD. How? CD will become FD because P is very close to D. You have to write here. What is this? You have taken here.
Sir.
This MD only, and
Yes,
CD
sir.
is there, na? CD what you have done?
So you
CD is
converted
equal
it to
to
FD.
FD. You understood that? Here FD is
Uh,
also, huh?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because you know that M is very close to D.
D.
So that is why CD, this is C to D, distance will become MD by FD is okay, and CD 2 times okay. FD equal to CD by 2 means CD is R, radius of curvature. Any doubt? Just few steps. If you draw and keep it in your book, I will be happy. This
No, sir. I'm
derivation,
sure. Oh, yes, sir.
these derivations are very important, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Just two steps, draw figure, then mark it, focal length, focus F, C center of curvature, P is pole, M is draw, and just show me in your camera, okay?
Yes, sir. So the whole derivation of the right, sir.
How much time you required? 5 minutes or 2 minutes?
So 5 minutes, sir. I'll just
Okay,
show it.
okay, do it.
Yes. Done, sir. Sir?
It's over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to next?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start this mirror equation. What is mirror equation? Generally, we are going to see that relation says it is a relation between U, V, F. What is U? This is the mirror relation. Okay. And this one is magnification. These two derivations you have to do now. Okay. I will help you if you want. If you know, you do it your own. Otherwise, I will tell you. This will be in
Uh,
terms of h dash by h. This is
yes,
in
sir.
terms of u and v and u.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I've actually practiced the derivations of ray optics before only. So
Then
is
you
it
don't
fine if
want.
we direct? No,
Do
sir. Finish off the chapter by today, sir.
okay. You want my explanation over here? No need.
Derivation only, sir. I know derivation.
Okay. Derivation only. This is all derivation points only. So for the drawing ray diagram, how many things is required? Three rules required. What is the first rule? The ray parallel coming from the object AB fall on the mirror and pass through focus. This is the first rule. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And what is second rule? Second rule
Uh,
is a ray which is coming from the object A towards the pole, it reflect back. Okay, and meet at a point on MD. That is, this is the second rule. Okay.
yes, sir.
Third rule is what it is? A ray which is going through the center of curvature, it will reflect back to same line. This is third rule. Why it will go same line? See, arrows are here given. These are coming light and this is going light. Going light is shown here. Same line.
Yes, sir.
You have any explanation for
Because it's
this?
passing the center of curvature.
Oh, so why it is center of curvature should go? What is that? Physical phenomena. Light, if it is falls perpendicularly, see, this is actually the light incident on the concave mirror is perpendicular 90 degrees. Okay, so angle of incidence is 0 here, and angle of reflection also 0. That's why it will go into the same line.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what did I say?
Uh, sir, when
Light.
the light passes through center.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. When the light passes through center of curvature, it retraces its path because
It reaches to a point N. What is that N? It is perpendicular to the tangent drawn on that point. Here, it will be 90
okay, yes,
degrees.
sir. So it behaves like a plane mirror.
Like a plane mirror. This is right. Okay. So then after that UVF, you know. Then next, what two triangles you have to take? A dash, B dash, F and MPF. Using this, what is this rule is called? This rule. What is the rule by which you got it this in ninth class you have studied? Perpendicular.
I don't remember.
Corresponding ratios of the two triangles are equal. That you have
Yes, sir.
studied when it is, they are called similar triangles. What it is? Similar triangles, you know?
Yes, sir.
Similar triangles means what it is?
So the ratios are the
If the
sides of
ratios
length
of
analysis
the
is equal.
corresponding sides are equal, then they are said to be similar triangles. Okay? How they are similar triangles? You
Yes, sir.
have to say this. Which triangles they have taken here? You know, derivation means I don't go much time here. A dash, B dash, F, MPF. Show me where is that A dash, B dash, F, A dash, B dash, F, and MPF. This one. These two triangles. This one and this one. This one and two triangles are similar. Why they are similar? When you say similar, if the angles of the triangles are equal, any two angles of the triangle is equal, automatically third angle also equal. They are said to be similar triangles. In the similar triangle, what it is, you are taking here as a perpendicular. This is a perpendicular you have to drop. Okay, this will become MP because M is very close to P that time. It is almost all touches here. So this triangles I am telling. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then here what are the things here taken? B dash A dash by PM. B dash A dash, which is B dash A dash divided by PM. This, their corresponding sides, perpendiculars, are equal to B dash F is equal to divided by F, PF. That is what it is written here, PF. Okay. But PM
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to AB, that is parallel, na? Parallel ray. So you will get, this is one equation, right? Here second equation, what triangles they have taken? This. This is also similar triangles. Similar triangles are same rule. What is that rule? If any two angles of the two triangles are equal, then they are said to be similar triangles. Sides are not equal also. If sides and angles are equal, what is that triangles are called?
Sir,
Sides.
similar triangles.
Huh?
Similar triangles.
Similar triangles are different. You said something correct only. Tell me again.
Sir, if angles are same, then it's similar triangle.
Angles are same, sides also same. Then such a triangles are what we say.
Congruent triangles.
Right. Then you are good enough. Then I will skip here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is also you know. Then from these two equations you will get this. And then after that using sign convention B dash B, it is minus V minus F minus you know it or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because sign conventions. Submit them, solve it. If you solve, you will get this equation. If you want, I will solve it. Otherwise, I will skip. What do you say?
Second skip, sir.
Skip, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is also understood, okay? This
Yes,
is
sir.
this is what it is, magnification. What is the definition of magnification?
Sir, when the object appears more than it already is after reflection, it's called magnification.
No, not like that. Magnification is the ratio of
The ratio of the image by the actual height of the object is greater than 1.
simple linear magnification definition is size of
Height of
the
the object is
image
greater than height of the
related to size of object. That
yes.
means ratio we are taking. Size of image divided by size of object. is the definition. That is called linear magnification.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for that you have taken one similar triangle above one and submitted. You will get again minus. Why it is taken here minus sign? You know it. Image size is minus, object size is plus. Then image distance negative and object distance also negative. For what? Which mirror? Which
So
mirror it is?
concave.
Concave, right. Convex mirror it will change. You should know
Yes.
this derivation for convex also. This one. This you take it as homework and show me.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes they may ask this derivation for convex. Steps are same, nothing to worry. Okay. If you are
Yes.
confused also, you can say on submission of on with the help of sign conventions, one can easily prove that derivation. This 1 by f equal to 1 by u 1 by f like that. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what to three equations I taught you now. Okay. One f is equal to r by 2. Another one be 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by u 1 by v. Another equation is what? M is equal to h dash by h minus h dash by h, here minus v by u minus u. So then h dash by h is how much? H dash by h is equal to minus v by u. Remember, this is called magnification. Magnification, we don't talk about minus, we talk about size of image by size of object. At that time, this minus will carry here. This minus will get cancelled. So I'll get minus v by u. You can see here. Where is it? Here. H dash by h is equal to minus v by u. Many children, even they are very good, okay, they will confuse over here. They will write here also minus, there also minus. Don't do that. Okay, come on, start one question problem.
Yes, sir.
You know this answer?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Computer battery will have to plug it in.
No, I didn't get you. What do you want?
Yes, sir.
You tell this answer.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, it has become dimmer, sir. Nothing will happen.
Okay, because why it is dimmer?
Sir, because half of the mirror is covered and the complete reflection does not happen.
Complete reflection will occur. Only the intensity of the image will be
Lower.
lower. Image will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, this one.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, done, sir. Sir.
This diagram
Yes,
is
sir.
okay?
So because the different parts of the mobile phone are
Yeah.
different distance from the wire.
Okay. So you can see your size will be this A, B. This A, B, C, D, I think so. So this one will be coming, this one will be going far, so bigger. This one will be coming center of curvature because it is C only. So characteristics you understood, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this problem.
Yes, sir.
Do it on paper. Try to do it, solve it.
Sir, is it possible to finish the theory by 6 o'clock, sir?
Complete, huh?
Yes, sir. Including the refraction and then the different medium and everything, sir.
Lens maker formula, all these things you want.
Yes, sir.
Only explanation part.
Yes, sir. I problems I want to do like I've already done this chapter almost 2 times, sir, in school.
Okay.
So problems I'm okay. So I just wanted to revise all the formulas
Okay,
and all the
refraction you
concepts.
tell me.
So refraction is when light flows from light flows from one medium to another with varying densities, and the path of lights gets deviated. That's called refraction, sir.
From here onwards, PowerPoint presentations are good in mind. May I start that? Easily we can
Yes, sir.
finish it up.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. What way you want, you tell me. That way only I will go. Because you are
Yes, sir.
having half yearly exam.
Yes, sir.
That is why, right? No, PPTs means your ray optics 1. This will give you a lot of information. Okay, quickly I will show you things where you have doubt you can ask because straight away this all many children are good enough here. I know, but only they will be doing wrong in this laws of refraction. See here animation you see. Okay, you understood
Yes,
this?
sir.
Light going from rarer to denser. Rarer means air or vacuum. Denser means maybe glass, water, or whatever, which is greater than 1. Refractive index of the vacuum is 1. Air is 1. Denser one, if you take glass, 1.5. So, what is refraction? Change in path of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. So, you can see animation once again. See, like this light goes, you have to draw. So, now you tell me here, if you draw normal, what is this is incident ray, this is refracted ray, this is your emergent ray. Do you think that emergent ray and incident ray parallel to each other or different?
Sir, parallel to each other.
What is that name of the distance between them?
Uh,
Lateral distance.
okay, yes, sir. Lateral displacement, yes.
So these laws you know, just you check it. If you know, I'll skip. This sin I by r. I is what? Angle of incidence, which is the incident ray normal angle, and this is refracted ray and normal r is constant. That constant also we can say, what is that? You understood this Snell's law?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tips for objective time. One by one you read.
Yes, sir.
Read loudly, no problem.
Mu is the optical mu or the optically rarer medium is lower than that of the denser medium is higher. Mu of denser medium with respect to rarer medium is more than 1 in that of the rarer medium with respect to denser medium is less than 1. Refraction in refraction the velocity of the wavelength of light changes. In refraction the frequency of the phase of light does not change.
Okay.
Uh, so what is okay? Mu of A with respect to m is Ca by Cm or say speed of light in air by speed of light in medium, and mu of A with respect to m is wavelength and air and wavelength in the medium.
Okay. Any doubt here? How this has
No,
come?
sir.
C A and CB. This I think I just told you.
Yes, sir.
This lambda A by lambda M. Can you give some light on this? Some, how this LA lambda A has come?
So when light moves from one medium to another, the wavelength of light also changes. So if you measure the wavelength of light,
No, Pranav. You should more curious to be.
so since speed of light changes, the wavelength also changes. No?
Okay. What is the formula speed of light in air?
Hc by lambda.
Uh,
C hc by lambda. So no.
you need my help here.
No, sir,
When
1 second. Sir, it's
don't worry, I will tell you.
1 second, sir. I remember, sir, 1 second. Yes, C is equal to F lambda, sir.
Good.
C is equal to lambda by T.
Lambda by.
T.
Okay. How this? Where is T? T is not coming here. This
No, sir.
derivation part.
Frequency, yes.
Derivation part is required now here. Here what you have to do,
Yes, sir.
CA is equal to, you said correct only, N lambda or F lambda.
Yes.
Okay. Then CM is equal to what? F lambda M. Why this F here and F's are same? Why it is so? When you divide them, FF get cancelled. So what you will get?
Yes, sir.
Lambda A by lambda B, lambda M. But now my question is, why this F is same in the same media or different media? Here is air, here is glass, here is frequency F. Here also I am saying F. Is it correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Give me the reason. Frequency is characteristic of the wave, right? So
Yes, sir.
when it goes by any medium, that characteristics do not change. Whether it will go to air to water, air to glass, air to turpentine, anything, it will not change. But wavelength is changing because of
Yes, sir.
refraction is taking place. You have to say the cause of refraction is wavelength of light, not the frequency. Frequency of vibration do not change, which you are going to see in the wave optics. Okay? Right.
Yes, sir.
This one you see. This is the reverse. I think you know this. Light falls, and then if you put mirror over here, short mirror, it will reflect back. So this is called reversibility. According to reversibility, refractive index. Okay. What is
Yes.
reversibility? It is written over here. When a light uh, goes from one medium to another medium, if it is traces in the same path with the same angle, then it is called phenomena of reversibility. This
Yes.
phenomena is according to this mu AB. What is here mu? It is written in the textbook. It is written n. So here what do you say here? N. What is then NAB means what? Or NBA means what? They are equal to 1. This you can prove it by taking the trigonometry Snell's law, which it is taken there. A to B when it is going sin I by sin R. B to A it is going sin R by sin I. When you multiply you will get this. May I skip?
Yes.
This is what actually, what is this I am telling Y. What is Y? Lateral displacement. Figure is okay? See, this is the refraction.
Yes, sir.
It is parallel to the emergent ray. Incident ray when it is parallel, normal drawn, and the distance between this emergent ray and incident ray extended, which is called lateral displacement, that is called Y. We can prove it Y is equal to this. Just remember the formula, it is enough. If you know, if you want. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to T. T means thickness of the glass. I1 is angle of incident. R1 is angle of refraction. Then that can be written this. Derivation is not there in our book, no need to go. Just try to remember. Then this multiple slab, that is denser. Here first medium air, then glass, then it is crown glass. So refractive indexes are different. Then you can prove it that all refractive indices A to B, B to C, C to D, when you C to A, if you multiply, then you will get 1. That proof is there. I will send it. You can go through them.
Yes, sir.
May I skip?
Yes, sir.
Now this is very important. Apparent depth and real depth. So
Sir, will those questions like mirror is placed in one medium and then light source in another medium, will those kind of questions come, sir?
that will be there. No, you want problem or theory?
No, no, no. I want theory, sir. Just asking, sir.
Yeah, that definite. This derivation, you know.
Yes, sir.
This, what is real depth? You tell me. Here.
Sir,
If here you take here A we are taking here. Okay. Then this will be A dash I am taking. Right. Here you tell me which is real depth here. This is actually the coin is in the water. From A to O dash. What is that distance? HA. What is HR?
Sir, depth of medium.
No, that is real
depth of
depth.
medium.
Real R indicate real. A indicate apparent depth.
Okay, sir.
So the relation is, what is the refractive index in terms of this HR and HE? Any idea, or I have to show?
Sir, can you show one?
This is the way coming from B to A. That is, B means what? You have here water, and A means what? Air. I is inside the water, R is outside the water, and other one is A to B reverse. You know that reversibility. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Next, refractive index HR by HE. How this has come? Real depth upon apparent depth. What is
Sir,
sin
you
R? Sin R, the derivation is not given here. Just you try to realize that. What is sin R? Sin R is A dash divided by AO. A dash O. Am I right? Or may I do it here?
Sir, can you tell?
So refractive index here, before that only I will tell you. Here, that is equal sin R, you tell me. Which triangle you will take? Sin R means A dash by O dash. So opposite side
Yes, sir.
A dash by hypotenuse A dash O dash. Correct? Divided by sin R.
Yes, sir.
Sin R means sin I. Sin I means what? A dash, correct? Divided by hypotenuse A dash O, correct? Here A dash
sir.
O dash. So A dash will get cancelled. So the A dash O divided by A dash O dash. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
what you will get here, A dash O means very close. That is equal to A dash O is equal to AO dash divided by,
Yes, sir.
and A dash O is approximately equal to AO. So A dash O is called HR. Sorry, AO dash is what? A dash O, sorry, here A dash O, correct? Because reciprocal you have to take. A dash O dash, A dash O. A dash O divided by A dash O dash, correct na? So that means HR by H A. You understood this or not? Or otherwise I will do it properly.
I understood, sir.
Okay, right. Next. So that is why it is real depth by apparent depth. These two questions are coming in many tips. Try to do it this. Try to understand.
Yes, sir.
A bird, the fish appears to be nearer. For this is the equation you have to do. Apparent shift. Apparent shift means this distance. O dash O is called apparent shift. That is HR by HA. That you will get HR HA from the above equation. It will come HR by mu. HR, if you take this equation, you will get. Erasing, where is it? Erasing. Okay, now you tell me. This HR minus HA. What is apparent shift? that coin is appears to be here. That is why it is called apparent position. The distance from O to O dash is called apparent shift. Fine. So that you will
Yes, sir.
get this equation. Is it clear, this equation? HR is as it is. A will be
As
taken from here. A will become HR by A. Then HR if you take 1 minus 1 by mu. So this
yes, sir.
equation helps to understand this first question. What is the question generally? If the observer is in rarer medium and object is in denser medium, then HA is less than HR. How it is? Observer is seeing from rarer medium.
Yes,
So the bird is the observer. Fish is inside. To bird, fish appears to nearer than actual depth. And you see from outside, the shallow of the swimming pool or water, it appears to be raised, is it not? That is same thing only. But actually, the bird, that fish is not actually nearer to the surface. It is inside. It appears like that because of the refraction. Got this answer?
yes, sir.
Second question, if the observer is in denser medium, that means fish is there inside the water and object is in rarer medium. The bird is in rarer medium. When the fish looks, the bird appears is very very far, but it will be very near. That is the logic. This question many times asked. Go through them. Okay?
Yes, sir.
May I skip or still you want some more explanation? May I skip?
Yes,
Okay, this is very important, every year one question will be going to come on total internal reflection. So you see the diagram, you will understand. This is the denser medium, let us assume that water, where the coin is inside the water, bottom. And it is simply a light. This is outside is ray, okay? So when it is normal is coming, what happens? This partially reflect and refract. Again it will be partially reflect and refract. Again partially reflect. Here partially it will not reflect. Okay? Partially reflect, but it will be grazing the medium. And after this, the ray, if it is totally get internal reflection. And where the refracted angle is 90 degrees, which is called critical angle. May I show you? See this inside water rays, no need. This one. Okay now. This ray is not
yes,
necessary.
sir.
Only you draw like this. Then here also this is not necessary. Partially reflect like that they are giving. So this is very important. What is critical angle, they will ask. Can you define?
So the angle where the total reflection of the critical angle.
The angle where the
Total total internal reflection effect.
No, no, no. Critical angle is the angle in the denser medium. Critical angle is the angle of incidence in the denser medium for which refracted angle is 90 degrees. Tell me.
So critical angle is the angle in the denser medium. So when incident, the refracted angle is 90 degrees.
For which refracted angle is 90. So
Yes, sir.
if sin I, if you take it, sin IC will come. Sin R, if you take it, sin 90 will come. Sin 90 is what? 1. So refractive index is 1 by sin C. That is the derivation is going to come. Now you tell me what is happening. If the ray is greater than critical angle, it is going in the same medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. Tell me what is total internal reflection?
So total internal reflection is a phenomenon of complete reflection of light back to the same medium for angles of incidence greater than the critical angle of medium.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
If it is greater than the critical angle, it will bounce back in the same medium. Light will not go out. Here it is light going, here also,
Yes.
here also, here also. But here is intermediate. So that angle is critical angle. If after this critical angle any ray is coming from the light from inside the denser medium, it goes in the same medium. So read all this. This 2 condition, 2 marks you will get in the exam. Definite question. Read them. What are the conditions for total internal reflection?
Yes, sir. The internal incident ray must be optically denser medium. The angle of incidence in the denser medium must be greater than the critical angle for pair of media in contact.
Okay. So just remember, first condition is light should come from denser to rarer medium. Second condition is the total internal reflection will take place just after the critical angle of incidence ray in the denser medium. This derivation is just now I told you. Refractive index last year, sin I by sin R. Sin I is sin IC. Sin R is 90. That is IC. But we have taken glass to air, but we want air to glass. So reciprocal. So therefore, refractive index of the glass is 1 by sin IC. This is definite question you will get for 2 marks, 3 marks easily. Very easy question. Every child will write generally. May I skip?
Yes, sir.
So here is 1 mark questions comes. High refractive index out of water, crown, diamond, which one is? Why it is a high refractive index? Why the diamond sparkle? Why the diamond is very costly than other glass like crown glass, dense glass? The reason is this is artificial glass. Crown glass generally used American diamonds. Its critical angle is 41 and a little greater. So dense flint glass also used for artificial diamonds. Actual diamond is 2.42. Its critical angle is 24. It is very small critical angle. So small critical angle if it is, so light once it is entered, it will not come out, it will get total internal reflection, will take place multiple times inside the diamond. Because of that, the diamonds are sparkle in the or glitter. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
you ask your doubts, anything if you have. Am
No,
I
sir.
doing
Answers.
am I doing correct only? Or anything going
Yes.
wrong? I am not prepared anything,
Yes, sir.
Generally I will sit directly. Since 24 years, just only 5 years I used to refer this and that, but after that I won't refer at all. Directly come to the teaching class. Generally, they will prepare and come, but this is all I taught many times now. That is why you should be in a position to explain by your own. So that is called mind reading. You know what is mind reading? Generally, children are get tensed when the test will be there. At that time, they will be thinking that the questions, this, that. You need not worry at all. Every day in the morning or when you are on the bed, you just recollect the things what you learn. Just 5 to 10 minutes. That physics are taught this, chemistries are taught this, chemistry, physics are taught the definition. The definition you recollect in your mind. That will be a mind reading. That will help you a lot, and you will be good position in the examination hall. Okay, formulas also, derivations also. When I ask na, you will say, sir, I will derive and show you, but I can't tell you like that. You will say, but don't do that. Okay, this is how to find critical angle. This is the method. IC will call sine inverse of 1 by mu 0. This formula in terms I already told you, mu can be written as lambda A by lambda G. Red color as maximum value, critical angle. Violet color as minimum value, critical angle. This is also very important. One more question, your bit will come JE. This is a one more equation for critical angle. These are the application. Mirage. You know mirage?
Yes, sir.
You know looming?
No, sir.
Looming means generally when you stand watching the river or watching the sea from the beach, and a ship which is going to be disappear, because the earth is round, it will be out, if it is going very far and far, it appears, it get disappear, but after some time it will get appear back because of total internal reflection. That is called looming. The image of the ship, it will again, you will see, even if it is crosses from your sight, when you observe the ship continuously for 2 minutes, you can observe. Next, total reflection, total reflecting prism, that I am going to show you now. Optical fibers. You know optical fibers?
Yes, sir. It is used for transport cable.
Yes. Sparkling of diamond. Just now I explained you.
Yes, sir.
This is called total internal reflection. See, light enter perpendicularly, it will get totally inside reflected. Here also total internal reflection. This 3 figures, 3 marks you will get in the NCRT. This is optical fiber. There is a cladding over on this. Core is inside. Core is higher refractive index than cladding, low refractive index, it is marked here. So once the light enter, it will get reflected, refracted, and refracted light no more it will come out, it will go to again reflected, total internal reflection, and so on it will go. This is called fiber optics. This is called total internal reflection taking place various prisms. It is 90 degrees prism. This is isosceles prism. This is also isosceles. Here this is the different types of prisms. So in this case, because of total internal reflection, the image formed here A dash B dash is 90 degrees shift. Okay. Here it will be 180 degrees shift. And here it will be again 180 degrees shift. You understood shift means? Here upside it will be perpendicular, it is towards the north, here towards the west. So what is the angle between north and west? It will be 90. Here north, this is showing south. What is the angle between them? 180. Here going north, this is south. What is the angle between them? Is 180. So they will ask this type of diagrams to ask. This is mirage. During that hot summer days, the total internal normal atmosphere, normal temperature, air and uniform temperature, you will get you can see the tree properly. But when it is air get warm, then what will happen? The refractive index, warmer air is less compared to the upper air. Because of that, light will bend like this. So it will take total internal reflection. The person who is seeing this light now, he feel that the tree is underwater. This will be happens when you travel in a long highway in your car, or if you travel in a train, you see that there will be a water. Generally in desert, that travelers in deserts, now they will feel that a far water appears, but as soon as they reach there, the water get disappear. It is because of the mirage. It is simply illusion. Have you studied all these things?
Yes, sir.
Then you tell me skip. Wherever you don't want, you tell me skip. I will do it.
No, sir. I just want to refresh again.
So my explanation is helping you.
Yes, sir.
Here rain is falling. That's why lot of noise. Am I doing properly?
Yes, sir.
I will share it my Excel sheet. In that you just type it whether you are following and how much you are going to give my lecture classes, what way you want improvement. If you write here, na, I just sent to your mother in WhatsApp, and she didn't.
Yes.
You take that phone and you type there whether you are following me properly or not. Any other, instead of telling on my face, you can do it that. If you feel to hesitate to tell. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now lenses. This. You want break?
It's up to you. Just finish one.
It's how much is the time?
So it's 5:30.
Half an hour is there. You take a break now.
No, sir. Again. Okay. Thank you.
Again you are out class. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir. At around 7:30, I will make that.
7:30, 1 hour you take rest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know this one important derivation is going to come, you know. What is that important derivation? This all
Uh, no, sir.
refraction through single surface. This is what I am talking. Looming effect. This is also total internal reflection. The person can see the sun after sunset, and person can see 2 minutes before sunrise. This question 9.5. This is what actually we have to do. This derivation, if you know this derivation, I'll skip. N by minus u plus N2 by V is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. You know this derivation? Or you want from textbook? Means textbook I will open.
No, sir. One second. Just read.
Just see this derivation if you know. This is one of the important question going to come 3 marks. Case study also sometimes they will ask. Once you go through,
Yes, sir.
if you understand, I will skip. Otherwise, I have to teach.
Yes, sir. I'll just read it once.
Understood?
No, sir. One second.